Engineers, your pathway to New Zealand. The Green List offers a direct route to residency, and this is your complete guide. New Zealand urgently needs engineers in every field. This could be your career breakthrough and lifestyle upgrade all in one. Step 1. Hold a recognized bachelor's degree or higher in your engineering discipline from an accredited university. If your qualification is from overseas, complete the NZQA International Qualifications Assessment to check equivalency. Receive your NZQA IQA report. This confirms if your degree matches New Zealand's standards for engineering roles. Next, apply for membership or registration with Engineering New Zealand, the professional body for engineers. Once approved, you'll receive certification. This recognition is often required for specialized roles and visa applications. Secure a full-time job offer from a New Zealand employer in your engineering field to activate your Green List pathway. Employers look for skilled, registered professionals who can hit the ground running in local projects and teams. Your official job offer must meet the salary and conditions set by Immigration New Zealand for Green List roles. With all documents ready, apply for the Straight-to-Residence visa through Immigration New Zealand's online portal. Once approved, you and your family gain the right to live, work, and settle in New Zealand permanently. Permanent residency offers stability, access to healthcare and education, and a high quality of life for your family. New Zealand offers growth opportunities in civil, electrical, environmental, and many specialized engineering fields.
Your engineering future in New Zealand awaits. Take your first step and lead your journey to permanent residency.